Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to create a flow which will basically send attachment uh, into our Outlook whenever a new item will be created in SharePoint. So the flow is whenever we have an attachment into our SharePoint list, okay, we want to send an email to user that this is your attachment. Okay, so how we can achieve that? So for that I am going to create new flow. I'll go to automation, cloud flow, automated flow. Okay, here I will select when a new item is created. I will say create, and I'm going to select my this particular list, that is SC employee. And here I can select my list, sorry, my site, and then my list. So this is my list that I'm going to use, and sorry, site, and here this is the list that I'm going to use. Okay, now as soon as new item will be created, I can search for my get attachment. Okay, here we go, and here I can simply provide my site address again, my list name again, and the ID. ID is something I will get from my this section when an item is created. So I can select my ID of this particular record, and then here I have something called get attachment content. Here we go. So I will select again my site, my list, site, my list, and then my ID. So from here I can easily get my ID, and now here I need to get my file identifier, so I can get it from this get attachments here. And as soon as this is done, then I have this will basically return me the content of my attachment. Now what I can do, I can send an email. I can search for my Outlook connector here, and I can search for my send an email v2. Where is that? Okay, here we go, and I want to send email to admin user. Subject would be display name, and here I say please find attachment. I can go to show advanced option here, and this would be my attachment name. So attachment name would be this one, and the content, I can get content from my this get attachment content here. If I will save this, and by the time I am saving this, so basically I will create a new item here. Let me click on new item. I can say that 123 name, again the department here. Okay, now this is saved. Now I will try to add attachment here. Let me add this, save. Okay, and then basically this file should be available to me through email. Okay, so my flow runs successful, and if I'll go to my attachment here, I can say basic text.pdf, and this is my PDF, and I can preview this, and I should get my content here. Yeah, so this is how, whenever a new item will be created into a SharePoint list, you can send that attachment via email. Thank you for watching this video.